In this video, we are going to show you how to redeem amazing discounts on your Adguard subscriptions. Now, we have a few links, actually 3 links on the description below. So if you click the first one, it's going to bring you to this page right here. Now, if you choose the personal plan, it says 20% discount. So if you click choose, it's going to bring you to the checkout page. And as you can see, you can save 20%. So $5.98, right? That's the first option. Second, you can save 30%. So whether you choose personal or family, you're going to get 30% discount. So these are already applied, right? The last one is the biggest one. So if you click on the last page, the last link, it's going to be 80%, right? So if you choose a two years plan, which is the best choice, and as you can see, promo code is already applied, just choose this one like so. And it's going to bring you to the checkout page, and it's going to show you that you are going to be saving 80% for this plan for 2 years. So that is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.